You need to clean your Dreo fan. Here's how to do it. First, you're going to take this top piece and rotate it so it's facing upwards so you have a clear view of the bottom piece right here. On the very bottom, you're going to find this screw right here, and we're going to use our electric screwdriver to unscrew that. Now we have that screw there. Now this entire grill right here will be able to rotate counterclockwise in order to peel it off. So I'm gonna have one hand on the back of the fan stabilizing it, and then another hand on the grill right here. I'm going to rotate to the left a little bit, and then that should, with a little bit of finagling, come out. Now to start with, we can just clean this piece all on its own. Now remember, this piece right here is actually where we keep the essential oil pad, so we can screw to the left and pull that out directly, and on the inside we'll find our essential oil pad. Maybe we don't want to get that wet. We can just remove that very easily by simply pulling on the middle part of the ring right here, and that will pop out. Now we can rinse this very easily with soap and water if we want to, and we can let that dry. We can do the same one with this piece right here. We can rinse that with soap and water and let that dry. And then let's take our essential oil pad right here and put that back into this piece right here simply by pushing it into place like so. And then we can reconnect that to the front piece of the gate right here by inserting it into those 3 slots. You can see we have 3 L-shaped legs on this piece right here and 3 slots on the fan grate right here. We can just push that in and then slightly twist to the right. And now that should be totally cleaned off. Now we want to remove the blades to get those cleaned off. So we're going to come to this piece right here, and we're going to screw that to the right actually to loosen that up until it comes all the way off. So it's actually a clockwise spin, and that little piece should come off right there. Now we should be able to grab the fan blades as well, and we should be able to pull those directly off as well. Now for this, we can just take a damp rag and quickly just wipe all of that off until it's all nice and clean. There might be some nooks and crannies down in here that you might want to spray with some extra water if you can't get your rag down in there. But other than that, very easy to clean the fan blade. Now we'll clean the rear grill by coming to this piece right here. It's like a little knob on the inside, and we'll twist to the left. That's counterclockwise until that piece comes all the way off as well. Now again, we can take one hand to stabilize the back of the fan, and then one hand on the grill here, and that grill should come straight off. Now again, with this, we can take a rag and we can wipe it all down to get all the dust out of it if we want on all sides of it. We could also take this and spray it down and rinse it down with mild soap as well if we want to get it super clean. Once everything is all clean, if anything was damp at all, give it time to dry off before we start the reassembly process. And if everything's dried off and ready to go, then let's begin the reassembly process. We're going to start by grabbing the back of the grill right here, and you'll see on the inside of it, it says this side up. We will simply slide that back on to the fan base like that, with that side pointing directly up, saying this side up. Now we're going to come back to that hexagon nut that we had. We're going to place it back onto the base like this and twist it to the right, that is clockwise, to get it to lock back on and hold that in place. And that should be nice and tight, but not too tight. You don't need to over tighten it because it could snap forward and you'll have to retighten it again. Now we're going to grab our fan blades, and we see that we have 2 sides. One side that looks like this, one side that comes kind of to a cone like this. The cone-sided shape should go to the inside so that this piece right here, that's kind of like an opening line right here, should connect with the bar that's on the inside of this right here. That gives the fan the ability to spin, so we just push that on and make sure that's locked in place. But it should still be able to spin. To keep that in place, we need to come back to this little cap right here, and we can see that one side has the openings to it, one side's pretty solid. Let's leave the solid side to the outside, and we're going to actually have to twist this to the left this time, so counterclockwise, in order to get this one to tighten up all the way. And once it's tightened up all the way, it's going to spin that fan a little bit. Hold that fan for a second, tighten it one more time just a little bit, and now it should all be able to stick together like that. Now we come back to the fan grate itself, and we're going to make sure that we align these little legs that are on the edge of it right here with these little notches that are around the inside of the base structure right here. Those will relatively easily click into place like that. And then I'll twist it to the right slightly with one hand on the back stabilizing the fan, one hand on the grill. Twisting it to the right just clicks into place and it holds steady like that. Now we tilt this back up like this to expose this area for that screw once more. Then we go retrieve our screw that we had, again with our electric screwdriver that we're using, and we're going to insert that back into the fan. And there you go, that's how you clean your Dreo fan.